So today I'm going to teach you about companion planting, and what that is basically when you take a grouping of plants, or just a couple of different plants, and you put them in the same container, and it creates like a little cool environment, a cool healthy environment for plants to grow, and it helps them with pest control. So it attracts all the good bugs that you want into your garden, and it takes away all the bad bugs that you don't want in your garden. The good insects eat the bad insects. And so that's something that's really, really helpful in a garden situation. I'll show you guys how to put the planter together. So what we're first going to do is we're going to take a scoop of soil, and we're just going to put the scoop into the pot, fill it about halfway, and then we're next going to get the marigold. And you're just kind of going to loosen the roots a little bit by just pinching the container, and it will kind of help it to get out a little bit easier. And then you just want to make sure to kind of massage the roots to get them all loose so they can get re-established into your new container that we're putting together. So then you can kind of just put it in like that. And then we're going to take a lettuce start. And we're going to do the same thing, kind of squeeze it out gently, trying not to hurt the roots. And then kind of massage them a little bit. And then we're going to place that guy in the pot as well. Alright. And then we're going to take another scoop, a smaller scoop of dirt, and we're going to kind of fill in the pot just a tad bit, kind of all around. And then next you want to take your carrot seeds, and you're just going to gently put them into the soil wherever you like to in your pot.
Or two floating around. Is there still
And then you take another scoop of soil and just continue to fill the pot all the way up.
I think 2 or 3 varieties out there. Alright.
And then you want to make sure to press the dirt down as you're planting to get the dirt really in there so everything can get all snug together. Alrighty. And then once you have everything all planted in, your next step would be to water it in. So you want to do a pretty good watering, and then you want to keep up on watering for the next couple weeks, because you want to make sure the seeds for the carrots are moist so they can germinate and they can start growing. And you want to make sure that everything else stays wet too so that it can get bigger and healthier as well. And then when you go and you harvest the lettuce, what you want to do is you only want to take about 1/3 of the plant when you first harvest. So I would always recommend taking the few layers of outside leaves and leaving the inside leaves so that they will continue to grow and produce more lettuce for you. And also a fun little fact is that marigolds, the foliage actually you can eat. So it would be a really cool thing to make a little salad with your lettuce and put some marigold leaves in it.